Okay, so this is class 8 mathematics. Now here in this we will learn here about the to find the square root by repeated subtraction method. So first of all, let us see what is repeated subtraction method. Now if you see here, you have to find out the square root of the 64. So in the repeated subtraction method, you have to subtract the number. All the numbers should be the odd number. Like, let us say in the solution, this is 64. Now, minus the first odd number is 1. Then you have to subtract this odd number. 64 minus 1, it is 63. Now, continuously we have to subtract. Now, you have to take this 63 minus. Now another odd number is here. After 1 it comes 3 here. Now you have to subtract 3. Now 63 minus 3 is 60. Like this. Now again you have to take here 60. Then you have to subtract and the odd number, that is 5. Now if you subtract 60 minus 5, this is your 55. You get 55. Now you are getting 55. Now again you have to subtract 55 minus 7. After 5, what comes here? 7 comes here. So you can do a rough work like this also. Rough work like this. So 15 minus 7, 8, and here it is now 4, so it becomes your 48. So 4 here, 4, 8, 48. So this is your 8. Now again you have to take this 48 minus 7. After 7 it comes here 9. Now you have to subtract 9. 48 minus 9. So if you subtract it, you get here 9 and here you get here 3. So it is now 39. You are getting 39. Now you are getting 39. Again you have to subtract here 11. 11 is the next odd number. Now you can subtract in the row like this. 39 minus 11. So this is your 8 and this is your 2. 28. You are getting 28. So now the steps, this is, you can write your first step, this is your second, this is your third, the fourth step, fifth step, sixth step. Up to sixth step we are getting. So until and unless you get a 0 up to there, you have to do it. So now let us continue. I will continue this one. Now we got here 28. So 28 minus 11, up to 11 it comes here 13. So 28 minus 13 you can do in the rough form like this. So it is your 5 and 1 15. So you are getting here 15. Now 15 minus, after 13 the odd number is your 15. So this you have to subtract. Now 15 minus 15 you get your 0. So in the last step you are getting 0. Now the process is stopped out here. Now 6. Now this is your 7 and this is your 8th step. So we have completed this in the 8th step. So this is your repeated subtraction method. Now square root. So this is the symbol. This is the symbol of the square root. And we have here 64. We have got here the square root of 64 is equal to, now total 8 step we have got here. So 8 step means directly you can write here 8. So square root of 68 is here 8. So this means that when you multiply this 8 2 times, 8 into 8, that is equal to your 64. So this is the method of the repeated subtraction method to find out the square root. So in this way, so you can solve the equations, and the sum of the questions I will give you as a homework. The question is same. Now I'll give you some questions which you have to do at your home. Like number A. So this is your homework question. Number A. Number A is here 144. Number B is here 169. And number C is your 100. So this is your homework which you have to solve by using the repeated subtraction method. So one process we have completed here. Now the another method, repeated subtraction method, we have completed. Now another process and the method to find out the square root, that also we will learn here only. Now the another method is here. The prime factorization method. So question number 2, using prime factorization method, find the square root of following. This is the questions. Let us take question number A. Question number A, let us take example. Suppose it is your 900. So you have to find out the square root of the 900 by the prime factorization method. So let us solve it. So simply what you have to do is here, this is your 900. Now you have to factorize this by the prime numbers only. So this is your 900 and the last digit number is your 0. So you can divide it by 2. Let us divide it 2 4 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 0 is 0. Now again you are getting 0 here. So you can again divide by 2. 2 2 is 4. Again 2 2 is 4, 1 is left. So 2 5 is 10. So you are getting 5 in the last digit. So you can divide this number by 5. Directly the 2 number you will get here 22. So 5 4 is 20. 2 is left here. So again 5 5 is 25. Now 45 again you can divide by 5. So 5 9 is 45. And now the 9 number single digit is also directly you can divide by 3. 3 is 9. Now last is 3 1 3. So like this you have to prime. This is known as a prime factorization method. Like this you have to divide it. Now we will see here again the square root. What is the square root of 900? Again this is a very simple. So you have to write here square root of 900. Then this is equal to this 2 multiplied with this 2, then this into 5, then this into 5, then this is 3, then this is 3. So this all we are multiplying here. Now you have to again the symbol you have to write here like this. This is the symbol of square root. Now the numbers whatever we got here, you have to make a pair, like the pair of these two. We are getting here. Again the pair 5 it is in the pair, and this 3 it is in the pair. So we have to make pairs. So the number we are getting here, this 2, 1 2 will come here, 2 multiply with this 1 5 will come here down here, and then again you have to multiply with this 3 like this. Now let us multiply this. 2 into 5 10, 10 into 3 30. So the square root is 30. So you can see here we got here the square root of the 900 is equal to 30. So this is very simple and you can practice at your home. You have to copy this all this thing in your notebook and you have to practice. The simple you have to understand here how to divide it. If you can divide, then easily you can get it. So this is our second method, which is known as the prime factorization method. So two methods I taught you today. Now for these questions I will give you some homework which you have to do again at your home only. Now let us say number A. Now the question is same. Now number A. This is your homework questions. Okay. So number A is here. You have to find out the square root of 7744. Number A. Number B is here 7056. Number C is here 10,000. 10,000. Then number E. Number E is here 4096. Number F. F is here 1764. And number Z. Number Z is here 11025. So these are the questions. Okay. So I will give you some hint out here how to divide it. Suppose you are getting here 4. You can see this number equations. There is a 4 in the last digit. So you can divide this number by 2. Here a 6 is there. You can also divide it by 2. There is 0 out here. You can divide it by 2 or 5. Again there is a 6 only. You can divide by 2. Again here is also 4 even number, so you can divide by 2. And here there is a 5, so you can divide it by 5. So these are the questions which you have to do at your home. So today this much only.